Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss question number 41 to 50 of alcohol, ether and epoxides from Advanced Problem in Organic Chemistry for JEE by MS Chauhan. In question number 49, identify the product RNS2-butanol with RR tartaric acid in acidic medium. So this is the case of esterification reaction. Okay. Now if we draw the RR structure of tartaric acid, we will get COOH, H, OH, OH, H, COOH. Okay, so this is the RR tartaric acid. Here this carbon is R configuration, this carbon is R configuration. Now we can react it with R or S butanol. So if we react with R butanol, then here we have esterification, here we have esterification. We can show how the reaction will proceed. So here we have alcohol OH group, CH3, C2H5 and H. So this is R butanol. So the final product will look like this. OH, there is no change in the configuration in these two carbon. Here we have esterification, CH3, C2H5, H. Again here we have another esterification, that is oxygen, CH3, C2H5, H. Now we have four chiral centers. Chiral center 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the configuration will look like this: R, 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 R. Okay, now if we start with S-butanol, then there will be change in the situation and finally it will look S, R, R, S. Okay, now we can definitely say that R, 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 R and S, R, R, S, they are not enantiomer because there is no direct mirror image relationship, but the connectivity or the attachment is same. Okay, so this is a pure case of diastereomer products. So for question number 41, option B will be the correct option. In question number 42, we have used Na2Cr2O7, which is an oxidizing agent, and after the oxidation we can see that there is only one oxygen in the reagent and one oxygen in the product. Okay, now if we closely look that option C cannot be oxidized as there is no hydrogen present in that carbon. If we start with 1 degree alcohol, it will be oxidized to carboxylic acid. So there is increase in oxidation. Okay, increase in number of oxygen. Initially we have one oxygen, finally we have two oxygens, but here is no change in oxygen number. Okay, so it can't be 1 degree alcohol. So we have two 1 degree alcohols. We have two 1 degree alcohol, option A and option D. Both are not possible in this case. So we have to start with a 2 degree alcohol, which is in option B, and after the oxidation we will get ketone in this case. So if we form ketone, there will be no change in oxygen number, but there will be decrease in number of hydrogen by a factor of 2. So if we look, we have 12 hydrogens here. Here we have 10 hydrogens. So there will be a decrease in number of hydrogen, but similarity in number of oxygen. So in this question number 42, the option B is going to be our correct answer. In question number 43, if we react with sodium, hydrogen will be liberated. Okay, so it indicates that in the presence of acidic hydrogen in the initial molecule. So here we have also acidic hydrogen, here also we have acidic hydrogen, here also we have acidic hydrogen. So here we cannot conclude anything. No rapid reaction with Br2, and finally after the oxidation we will have C3H8O3. Okay, thing is that here we have two oxygens, and finally we have three oxygens. Initially we have two oxygen and finally we have three oxygens. So here oxidation is not possible because there is no hydrogen. So option C cannot be our case. If we react with B, we will get ketone in this case and carboxylic acid in this case along with CH3. Okay, so there will be increase in oxidation along with CH3. So there is increase in number of oxygen. And here also, if we start with A, it will be a ketone and it will be carboxylic acid. So total number of oxygen is 3 also here. Okay, so option A is also possible, option B also possible. So option D will be the more correct option, both A and B. In question number 44, which are not cleaved by HiO4? If we start with glycerol, glycerol is like this, OH, again CH2O. So we have 1,2-diol, again we have 1,2-diol. So it can be oxidized by HiO4. If we start with glycerol, glycerol is 1,2-diol. So this can be oxidized by HiO4. But 1,3-propene-diol, 1,3-propene-diol. So 1,3 arrangement is cannot be oxidized by HiO4. So this is oxidized by HiO4. This can be oxidized by HiO4, but this cannot be oxidized by HiO4. In option 4, we have 2-methoxy propanediol, 2-methoxy propanediol. Here we have 1,2 arrangement, but there is no hydrogen present here. So this is also cannot be oxidized by HiO4. So if we compare the options given, then for question number 44, option D will be the correct option, that 3 and 4 molecule cannot be oxidized by HiO4. In question number 45, which of the following reactions require an oxidizing agent? So it is a reduction, so don't need oxidizing agent. This is an oxidation reaction from alcohol to aldehyde. So we need in this case oxidizing agent. So option B is the correct option for question number 45. In question number 46, this is very good question because we need a stereochemistry here. So if we look that this carboxylic acid group is present above the plane, okay, carboxylic acid group is present above the plane, and here we have boron. As we know that boron is electron deficient in nature because group 13 element, so there will be an interaction between electron rich oxygen and electron deficient boron in this case. Okay, so this boron will be trapped to the above the plane, this boron will be trapped to the above the plane, and a rate of or number of hydride will be more supplied from the above the plane, okay, compared to below the plane. So this H can easily be supplied from the above the plane, and this OH bond will be below the plane. So the position of the carboxylic acid or any electron donating group, if it is present above the plane, then the position of the OH group will be below the plane. So we have mistakenly shown this carboxylic acid group here, it should be here. Okay, so it doesn't matter because in both cases the boron will be trapped above the plane. So in this case option A will be the correct option because hydride will approach from the above the plane and OH will be in the below the plane with respect to carboxylic acid group. So for question number 46, option A will be the correct option. In question number 47, which of the esters shown after reduction with lithium aluminum hydride aqueous workup yield 2 molecules only a single product? So I have a different approach to solve this question. Okay, if we have 2 molecules for single alcohol, so you need even number of carbon. Okay, so if you check in option A, you have 1 2 3 4 5 carbons. It cannot be split in equal to halves. If we have this option C, you have total 6 plus 6 12 plus 1, again 13 carbon, odd number of carbon. This cannot be split in equal to halves. But in this case we have 6 plus 6 plus 2, total 14 number of carbon which can be split into equal to half, and 7 carbon will be present in each molecule. And if you reduce this ester, you will get 2 molecules of benzoic acid, sorry, benzyl alcohol. Okay, so same molecular formula, and it will give 2 molecules of single alcohol. So for this question number 47, option B will be the correct option. In question number 48, we have used PCC, which is a mild oxidizing agent. So in this case, alcohol can be oxidized to aldehyde only. It cannot be oxidized to ketone. So it will be oxidized to aldehyde only. And in PCC, chromium present at +6 oxidation state, it will be reduced to +3 finally. So for question number 48, option B will be the correct option. In question number 49, osmium tetroxide will give the syn-diol. So this is the reaction of alkene in which we will get only the syn-diol product. So only option 1 is possible, 2 and 3 is not possible using osmium tetroxide. Okay, so syn-diol can be formed by KMnO4 also. Okay, dilute alkaline KMnO4 will give same kind of situation. So in this case, option A will be the correct option for question number 49. In question number 50, an organic compound B is formed by the reaction of ethyl magnesium iodide with a substance A following by treatment with dilute aqueous acid. Compound B does not react with PCC. Okay, so there is no chance of oxidation. There is no chance of oxidation. So if we closely look, okay, if we closely look with Grignard reagent, this kind of situation will have. So if hydrogen is added, with this carbon, it can be oxidized. So here we have hydrogen, so this can be oxidized. Here we have hydrogen, this can be oxidized. Here we have hydrogens, so this can be oxidized. Here you don't have any hydrogens. Okay, so if we start with ketone, we will get 3-degree alcohol after reacting with Grignard reagent. Okay, after reacting with Grignard reagent and aqueous workup, we will get this kind of situation, which cannot be oxidized further because the lack of presence of hydrogen here. So for this question number 50, our answer is going to be option B. Thank you for watching.